Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Vanguard Zadie skin in Fortnite. To begin, you'll want to launch Fortnite and navigate directly to the item shop from the main menu. This is where all cosmetic items, including character outfits like Vanguard Zadie, are made available for purchase. Remember that the item shop inventory changes frequently, so consistent checking is key to catching this specific skin when it appears. Once you spot Vanguard Zadie in the item shop, prepare to spend 200 V-Bucks to add her to your locker. If your V-Bucks balance is low, you can easily purchase more through the game's store or your console's marketplace. Just select the V-Bucks pack that suits your needs, complete the transaction, and then return to the item shop to finalize your skin purchase. The Vanguard Zadie skin is a fantastic outfit on its own, offering a distinct look for your character. It's important to note that this particular skin usually comes as a standalone item, meaning it doesn't include a specific back bling or harvesting tool. This gives you the freedom to customize her with any of your favorite existing cosmetic items, allowing for unique combinations that truly reflect your personal style in-game. Since item shop rotations are unpredictable, it's crucial to grab Vanguard Zadie as soon as you see her to avoid missing out. Keep an eye on official Fortnite news channels for any announcements regarding specific item shop schedules. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This ensures you're always ready to enhance your gaming setup and never miss a beat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.